Hey again, everybody. Monday morning, May 22nd. Looking at the Astro Excel projection for the week ahead. Coming into the open Sunday night, last night, we had bottomed out with the Friday close where the Astro Excel bottomed out. We had this little up move at the start of the session, taking us above the 10 line. So we got the small rally in the market. We're coming into a little bit of a flat here. When that ends at about 8 a.m., we're going to push down through the rest of the day today. But we're hugging the zero line for the rest of the week. So we're pretty much in the slightly positive territory above the zero line, never breaking the plus 10 line all week long. So it's very flat. There's not a lot of astrological pressure. Either way, it could be another narrow range week where we bounce slightly up and down into different nearby trading ranges. Even the blue line doesn't spike outside plus or minus 10 just a couple of times here on the 23rd at 1845, and then that again until Friday at 4:07 and 5:22 a.m. So some of these blue line peaks and valleys will become pivot points, just not as reliable as when we get the spike pushes outside the tens.